often referred to as the Oxford of the East and the cultural capital of Maharashtra, is a vibrant and historic city nestled in the western state of India. With a rich blend of tradition and modernity, Pune offers an array of attractions and activities that cater to a wide range of interests for tourists and travelers. One of the city's most iconic landmarks is the Aga Khan Palace, a historical marvel that served as a refuge for Mahatma Gandhi during India's struggle for independence. Today, it houses a museum dedicated to Gandhi and his life, making it a significant destination for history enthusiasts. For those seeking spiritual experiences, Pune has several awe-inspiring temples and shrines, including the famous Dagadasheth Halwai Gunpati Temple and the serene Osho International Meditation Resort. The latter, set in a lush oasis within the city, offers meditation and spiritual workshops, attracting visitors from around the world. Pune's rich history is also evident in its many forts and historical sites, with the Sinhagad Fort and Shaniwar Wada being notable examples. Exploring these architectural wonders not only offers a glimpse into the city's past but also provides breathtaking panoramic views of the surrounding landscape. Nature enthusiasts can escape the urban hustle and bustle by visiting the nearby Western Ghats, which offer a plethora of trekking trails and lush green landscapes. The hill stations of Lonavala and Khandola are just a short drive away, making them perfect weekend getaways for those looking to unwind amidst scenic beauty. Pune's culinary scene is a delightful journey for food lovers, offering a wide variety of local and international cuisines. From traditional Maharashtrian fare like Vada Pav and Misal Pav to global cuisines served in upscale restaurants, Pune has something for every palate. Don't forget to savor a cup of cutting chai, tea, at a local tea stall, a quintessential Pune experience. The city is also a hub for education and technology, with numerous prestigious institutions and a thriving IT sector. This blend of academia and innovation has contributed to a youthful and cosmopolitan atmosphere, evident in the lively nightlife and entertainment options available in areas like Korgaon Park and FC Road. For art and culture enthusiasts, Pune boasts a thriving art scene, with numerous galleries, theaters, and cultural events happening throughout the year. The annual Pune International Film Festival and Sawai Gandharv Bimsan Mahotsav, a renowned classical music festival, are highlights on the cultural calendar. In conclusion, Pune is a city that beautifully combines its rich historical heritage with a forward-looking, dynamic spirit. Whether you are interested in history, spirituality, nature, or simply exploring the vibrant facets of Indian culture, Pune has something to offer every traveler. With its warm and welcoming atmosphere, Pune invites you to immerse yourself in its diverse experiences and create lasting memories.